Meghalaya Board of School Education hak step karp saudrik jemang arjar pusau nalor ke result HSSLC kalapan menaru i ke result exam Higher Secondary School Living Certificate HSSLC Art Stream kibaile ke exam HSSLC Arts kidon hadu arpsan hajar laispa inyo pusau ngup kentup senrang mat kentai ya kibalapas kidon kumba arpuai hajar praspa lai pulai ngut. Kyrdan Nyngkong layo banbat da kasing Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong lengba umenang man kraw kharkungor bat ugaraf bharali kasen man Higher Secondary School Shillong kibalayo khur marsau spa nripu pramax nakaliang kishipo Kyrdan basyakmat jong result HSSLC Arts ya ka Kyrdan baar bat balai layo banbat da Don Bosco College Higher Secondary Section lengba katanisha das kabalayo khur sauspa sanpoi max bat usal seng marak ubayo sauspa sanpoi max Kasimri High Secondary School Shillong kalayo banwan Kyrdan kabasau lengba kanas bahashar kabayo sauspa lifeway max katbai Kyrdan basanpat layo khur da kasing Advanced Higher Secondary School Shillong lengba uhame kraubok kharshieng ubalayo sauspa arpunai max ya Kyrdan ban Riewlum banbat John Vianney Lingdo kasin John Bosco High Secondary School Sora ubalayo khur sauspa arpunyu max bat ya Kyrdan ban nyopat layo ban khur do Frederick Gwanet Renklem ka North Liberty High Secondary School Mokrodop Joy ubalayo khur sauspa arpunyu max Kidon laingut kiblawan Kyrdan bapra kata Karimika Esta Dahar na Laban Bengali Girls Higher Secondary School Shillong Ukerman nongrom ka Village Dorwar Higher Secondary School Swear bat ka penbahasisha nongbri ka Auxilium Girls Higher Secondary School Shillong kiblayo khur marsaus pa absan max Kyrdan bakhandai pat kidon hadu saungut kibla khur marsaus pa arplai max kata Uzifania ban pira lang nongbri bat gari salanaki lalu ka Saint Denis Higher Secondary School Shillong ka imi hei sakiru el thubru ka Saint Andaman's Higher Secondary School Shillong bat ka sneha ghosh jong ka Saint Mary's High Secondary School Shillong ya Kyrdan bashipau pat layo banbat da ka Saint Dominic Higher Secondary School Maukendeng lengba ka mon kenjailin sengkon kabalayo khur sauspa arpar max.
So I wish to thank you for bringing out the name of St. Anthony's, and we have been expecting you, and all of us we were sure that you will really get the top, and you did it, and we are proud of you. All throughout your life from matric and 11, 12, you have come up the top, and we hope that in future in other degrees and other studies you also do the same. And may your life continue to be bright, and may you continue to shine. Thank you for that. Ngai kubli email root mo, email pa kibla butin ja imenang iba jinglong kena student jumi la taste tom, but ilong kena iba bawan sekmat berbor hal kam jam ilong leader abun zat ki abun bentah I can see even sab haya kena jumi du ha jumi class te ni semua sikade ya imenang but jing semua dari kaya chumble kena jumi blak ku berdoi
kijing te kibun kijing mata yo iba kakene ke chok ni lega ban shubun kampe isya mare sini shatai de lawan na school ru labun kam so mi hang tai de indre what happening jong kata ting smoke ba Nyngkong oi ke de kijing kershan ke jong play ke bar ke de higa determination mo kajing banong kajing lain na ladi hite ban laban motivate ladi kan jadi kata kan ba yo i ba ke de ro kajing slur ban tur ya ke kijing ya wala kijing ki babun tambah idi ban yang ne consistency ke di bandai ki kenta te ki pher na ko ke singi sha ko singi mar ki jang ki singi ki ba la lapor la yo shong bha ko mo tai o bun kenta jadi ba ki por ki ba yo tang kingiat indai man ke singi hi kingiat kenta tengah bu pikin ke di bandon ke ka consistency ki jang ini tentang yo imau bagi konsama bun ki dan ha po ke jing tek ni la ban ong jo ki social media bagi mobile phones tengah syuken tu bapin ya ke por ke bapi krakot hindi ban switch off dan ban bu sharut ya ki mobile phone ki jong fi la da fi shem ba ka long ka distraction fi kin bat ko wiro ka long ba mentally le ka dika juk ba ka don ki jing le la ni kata ka competitive world je ka ngadon ban kan tu ya phi ba ki di ban ya long ki baslur bat kam tap e di ban don ka determination kin pengyo ban ya le ki ki jing e baro hadu ba pinyo ban kai yo so jong jong hadi menta teng na perkhat bangan teng ya kecing pulih ke cuma bangan
subjek
ya ka subjek hi menta ngapa laban ong nomor ba Ano sure results ko ni ngadon kambangan wat ru iki kursus nagi college ki bang pa pun tin sa ipit.
Dap tak jing sngok pen ke bakrau. Nyngkong ngadon ban ai u play. Namar ke ba ro ke jing sta hi kawan u play. Di kong ni ukun jong ni uba nadu udang rit hi ula long consistent ha ke jing play ju ju yo be ki top. Di ni ba ro ke di ke jing ku ke jong play. Bat ni la klik lenti ru ba on le ba ke ni ka kenti. Bat kini kalong shisha ka purom bat ki ai ku play ru namta kinong hikai ju ke school ko mala blok ben bu ha ke ni school nadu lower primary hadu higher secondary ni I ka jing trai shitom ju ki nong hikai ha ke ni school bat ke don kata ka jing rap ka encouragement ka motivation ka wan ki bat dei lamba ka jing trai shitom ka jing rap lem jong ki na school bat kum ju na ying na ngi mi pa bala pen poi hadu ka diga ka khidmat jing shisha komungan shia thu ba hagwe day bat ka mobile phone ngam pat jup ai hak kiti ba indon la ka jong mobile phone di day hapok ka jing pet ka jong nga ki wan ki messages ki wan ki work na school di ki wan lemba ka jong nga bat ngayo ban monitor ki ki ba yo ban pet le si ki messages ki badan kam di nga ai bat ki ba don kam ngam ju pen di kata le si ka long ka wi ka lat ka jing rap kum ki mi pa ni don ka benta ka ba crowd bin rap lem ya ki khun ha ka wi de ban kum nu ban control kum nu ban pen don kam ya ka social media bat ka jing lam de ti ru ya ikhun ba I de ban don ka responsibility Nyngkong ba indup sing thu kum nu ban pen don kam ya ka social media.
I guess most of all, I'm just glad I managed to fulfill the expectations of my teachers, my parents, and the principal and everyone who's supporting me. Other than that, I don't really feel much. I guess I am proud, but the feelings subsided by now. Well, obviously my mother, she contributed a lot. She supported me, she made sure that I would study and work hard towards this, and my teachers, well, they were very good at teaching, and yeah, it's all because of them and my mother and my family that I got this position. Hopefully I can enroll in St. Edmund's College and get a major in psychology, although it's not established yet. So for now I'm going for sociology, and once psychology department is established, then I'll major in psychology. Was I depending on my studies, on digital apps for my studies? Not really. I'd say I was just mainly taking, textbook was the most important thing basically.
It was always hard. Obviously, it was a hard journey. But I took everything seriously, right from oral tests or whatever. Like even if a 5 marks test, I studied for it. I never kept my work to the side. It was always my first priority. So that's how I did it.
And now, what's next? What are you planning?
I'm planning to do law, BLLB. So let's see where it goes if I can. To be honest, I never relied on technology. It was always my books, and I made notes myself. I never even for the books notes, I never hold on to that. I make my own. I write my own. I don't Google answers. I don't think it's even if it's a good way, but I don't trust it. So I trust my own writing.
Kon ba iet ngi ju shat jing ba man la kas ngi hatu ngi la ju perkhat ba ka bam ngi bam ka tein em ya ka met jung ni
mai ki ju ba mi kini ki ju ki jing ba man la kas ngi bale kene ka jing kali minta
ka to ka dukan ration ba pen yai uba raju uya thu yang
Ray man ka por yim ju yo ai ka jing bam ki ba tei ka met ki ba long ka daw jung ka jing pang anemia pat ka jing brie jung ki kma
ba kum nu ngan lai na kini ki jing stam
kong Nyngkong pide ban pen melin ban bam ya ki jing bam ki ba pha hakrukom bam jong phi bunsen ki long kmi bat ki khulong khana yo ya ki ni ki jing pang namar kim yo ya ka jing bam ban tei ya ka men ka sarkar kelas dang ya ka food fortification ha ukhaw ata mlu kadut bat ka umpnyang bam baro kin don ki jing bam ka ban tei kum ka iron folic acid vitamin B12 iodine zinc vitamin A bat vitamin D yakini baro kila ban yo na ki jingbam badi ha ki dukan ration.
Kata kamut ngi dan yu khau 45 babyang bhabat ngi.
Mai, uni khau tu bai biang ba. Pitharai baro kin bang ban ba mi uni.
Kun ka fortification jong khau kandum khata ya ka jingmat ba ka jinglong jingman jong khau.
Mai, karukam ban bu ya ki ba karukam shet pat kala ban pher.
Om dai kun. Om dan jinga pher la da dei ha ka rukom bu ni rukom shet. Kum ba fi ju shet yu khau ba fi thien. Kum ju ru la shet ya uni u khau.
Okum ta.
Te kun ka jingbam ba ai ka kwat ka khya bat ka ba ai bor ka met ka phat bat ka bor per khat jungi hatu dang dan ki jingbam ba kham bha ban ya uni.
Hoit mai, fikran ya ka badai sisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba Ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.